All kinds of amazing designs can be generated very quickly in Photoshop using combinations of filters. Something like this. This is for PC and Mac. And the first thing to do, simply just go to over here and set the colours. Now I'm just going to go with black and blue here, but you can always change it later with an adjustment. So go to Filters and go down here to Render and down to Fibres. It's a great start point and it will use those colours, fibres, and you can see what you get. You generate these lines and you can create some variants. Now I think just about there, 9 and strength of about 18. Now you can boost that up as much or down. Personally, I think that's reasonable. You can always click randomize. Click OK. So you've generated that. But the next thing to do is you can apply a variety of different filters. So filter, and you can go down here and distort and wave. Wave is a really useful one. And one of the more powerful ones, triangle. So triangle is a great start point for all kinds of designs. Number of generators, 1. I always prefer that. Wavelength, set it to around 32, 552 for the max. Amplitude, 120, 599. Now I generally keep the scale to 100%. Wraparound and triangle, that's the key thing, triangle. You've got a little preview here. You can always randomize if you want, but click OK. And you can see what it creates straight away. It creates this lovely flooring design. If you want to use some flooring design, this is perfect for that. But what you can also do is you can go over here and you can go to filter and again down to distort and wave, and you can apply again exactly the same settings. Don't have to change anything, but you can tweak it. Just change the wavelength, change the amplitude, click OK again. And you can see you've now got another design very quickly, very abstract design. What you can also do is you can go to filter and stylize and oil paint. That creates a nice smearing effect. Now I've just set it to 9.8, 9.8, no lighting on. So click OK. That creates a nice smoothness to it. But what you can also do is you decide, I don't want these colours. I've gone for the colours before, but now I can just simply change it by image, adjustments and hue and saturation. So maybe go for nice golden colour or orange. Change the saturation, etc. and click OK. But you can still go back to the wave. So filter, distort and wave. It's still set to 1 and you can apply it again. And again, tweak the setting if you want. The wavelength, up to you. Click OK. But you can apply it once or twice. Also another thing you can do, image, adjustments and levels. Really nice one just to boost up so you can just see that change input levels. Just crunch that closer towards that one. Just move there and click OK. And you can see now you've still got this you've got a sort of frosted icicles forming design very quickly. So if you want an icicle, obviously don't change the colour to a golden colour, but keep it maybe blue so it looks like sort of frozen ice sort of effect. And again, filter and wave, and you can repeat this a number of times. Simply apply it like that, and you can see you get this like metallic effect. Very structured, broken sort of metallic effect, you sort of sheared off. Again, filter and wave. Now you can apply it 5, 10, 15 times. And it creates each and every time a slightly more unique and unusual design. And of course you can always still go image, adjustments, and again levels, and just change this again, just tweak it up, something like that. And there you have a very abstract design, but also a very useful design for like flooring design, maybe for painting designs, wallpaper, and also, like I say, crystal and metallic designs as well. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Always great to hear from you. Got lots of other videos about Photoshop on my Graphic Extra channel, as well as on this channel. And I'm going to add more. Bye.